Now it is time for you to venture on your own. Okay, there's a few things I want you to do, and this will be written down as well. But notice how the ground didn't affect the zombie. Okay, when he hit the ground, he didn't die as he should. So your job is going to be able to incorporate the ground, just like we did with the objects. Make it so when he hits it, all right, that he actually gets hurt and the game can end. Another thing you're going to want to do is create a game over screen. So when he does hit, using user interface and something similar to what we just did, you're going to want to use, you're going to want to throw up a game over screen. And I do have some assets for that. Okay, we've got this cool game over image here. Pretty cool, right? Also, we've got this little ending thing here because when you end, you're going to collect coins, right? We didn't do anything with coins, okay? Didn't do anything at all with coins. And so, but before we get to coins, so the game over, okay, you lose, it's a game over, and then it shows a whole new screen, and you can do your own thing. Make it maybe a third camera with a different angle if you want, okay? Or you can use the same one and just swap out graphics, whatever you think is going to work best for you. And the reason why we have this like cemetery stone here is because we want to put the score. And so what I want to go down here in our fantasy demon cave is I want to show you the thing that I want you to use for the coin. Let's scroll down here and find it. Just to double check real quick. And you can use whatever image you want, but as for a default, I think it's just the one we passed down here, this little portal thing. Yeah, I'm just going to drag this portal here. Is this guy. Now, you wouldn't probably want to use this in a live game. The reason being is it's got a lot of polygons, okay? I'm just rotating it here. It's got a lot of polygons. Let me turn off this main menu for a second. And that would slow down your game, especially if it's a mobile game. But this kind of looks like a coin, right? Let's just move it around. I'm just showing you what you're going to be doing. We're not writing any code here. Let's make it a little bit smaller. Again, it's got a lot of polygons, so you don't want too many of these. But basically, the idea is these coins are going to be, you can place them wherever you want randomly. They would kind of be repeating just like the columns repeat, except in this case, you can either destroy it or move it again because you want continuous coins coming. And what you want to do is detect a collision, okay? And if a collision occurs and it's of type coin, okay, we're going to make it so there's a sound that plays to collect the coin, and then we're going to increment it by 1, okay? And you don't need to show any UI or you can. That's a bonus for you, but you just need to store the value, okay? 1, okay, 2, 3 as you collect the coins. So then when the game ends, okay, as I was showing you already, where did you go, little guy? These pop up. All right, thank you. Okay, so then what you'll do right here is you'll put the total coins that were received, and you can do this through the user interface. And I did not teach you how to access user interface and change it. That's also part of the bonus. It's part of the assignment. So you're going to collect coins. They'll randomly go, and unlike on Flappy Bird, the coins are in between the poles. In our case, ours are going up and down. So you have to find a more creative way to do it, or a different way at least. It could still be in between or different spots. You get to decide. So game over screen, coin screen. There's having physics on this platform here, so he actually hits it. And the last thing I want you to do, and we didn't cover this either on purpose, is these pillars right here, okay? What I want them to do is I want them to slowly rotate like so. Okay, I just want them to slowly rotate like this over and over and over and over again, okay? And that's the very last thing you need to do. So you got a lot to do. You're going to have all the graphics and sounds and everything you need for this. And doing this assignment is going to help you take your skills to the next level. Really cool stuff we've built here. You've gone from animations to physics to lighting to importing textures to importing models to playing specific animations to working with multiple cameras to working with singletons and game managers and a whole bunch of other things. Congratulations. See you next time. Mark Price at devslopes.com.